Good morning, fellas. I got the sun in my eyes a little bit. Just to show you a pretty simple setup I got today. Um, on my first job this Tuesday morning, and I'm gonna turn the camera around so you guys can see. So this is my carpet cleaning bag, and there's Godzilla. I don't have to use any corner guards or seal a door. It's a straight run. I got my pouches, and here I'm gonna put on my towel. I got a hook on my pants from Duluth Trading that it hooks right up to it. Now I'm trying to get it on. There you go. Got it. So that's my basic setup, what I get ready to do with my pouches and my towel. I got the tarp down just over the grass area. I know that you can buy the hose hooks or the holders or the wire holders, whatever they have, but I don't do this type of setup too often enough to have that. So I'm running the hose along the flower bed there with the mulch. And here's the setup. Now this carpet here is a nylon carpet. And I'm also gonna do these stairs, and that's 100% wool up the stairs. So I got a combo. I got some wool carpet to clean, as well as this nice nylon. That's the bar area. And so this is the downstairs of one of my customers' home. And this is the first time they're getting it clean because they just bought this new home maybe a couple years ago. And there's my vacuum cleaner. I'm gonna vacuum the carpet. And there's my hose. I didn't brought the wand in yet. So guys, and that door is too tall for a sealer door, but I don't really need it. I'm running in the back of the house. So this is my simple setup. And these are the agents I'm using on this job. So I'm using the One Clean green cleaner. Not the one clean traffic lane cleaner, but that's the green cleaner. And I'm using Serum CU. And I'm going to put serum at 50% in a spray bottle to treat about 3 or 4 stains. And so guys, I'm all set up, ready to clean. I got my solvent spotter, and I got my organic stain treatment, which is the serum that I'm going to be using on this, because specifically from a dog. And I'm ready to go. As you can see, guys, for me, it's all about the setup. I got the tarp down so I don't burn the grass. And I just know that if I get the right setup, the job's going to go pretty smooth. I'm actually going to do my pre-treatment of the organic stains first before I put my green preconditioner down. And the reason why I do that is because I want it to get into the fiber 100% without being diluted, and then also give it the most dwell time as possible. And as you can see, I'm only doing the visible stains. I'm not putting out a black light. I'm only doing the visible stains. because I don't think it's not a need for me to do that on this job. It wasn't heavy contaminated, and we're just doing just the visible stains. As there's no odor, just some slight staining from the dog, marking a little bit. So I'm all done, and my customer, of course, left. A lot of times my customers will leave and leave me in the home, so I got everything locked up and just walking out to Godzilla. Man, Godzilla looks good. So, sitting up in front of the house. So I'm going to shut him down and move on to the next one. And I'm all done, guys. Just want to show this simple setup. Sometimes my setup seems to be so detailed and complex, but sometimes you get some simple ones. Thanks for viewing.